What sets Mercedes-Benz Geelong apart from other workshops is our state-of-the-art workshop facilities, our factory-trained technicians. We have the latest in diagnostic equipment. Our technicians have the support of Mercedes-Benz Global Network, which gives us access to the latest in information, product support and technology. We also offer a number of services to our customers that I know other businesses don't have. Gives our customers that feeling of being someone special. The after-sales division offers a wide range of service solutions when it comes to caring for your Mercedes-Benz. From pay up-front options that allow the customer to save some money when it comes to the servicing costs, right through to a pay-as-you-go option. But right from the start, the customer knows exactly where the spend is going on their Mercedes-Benz.